गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। हम ट्राई करने वाले हैं वाइल्ड प्लेसेस टू ईट इन ईस्ट दिल्ली। आई नो दिस वीडियो इज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट एंड इट विल गेट लेस व्यूज। मुझे कि हमेशा से करना था बिफोर लीविंग कॉलेज एंड इसी बहाने नई नई चीजें खाने को मिलेगी।
Yeah, boy.
बहुत स्पाइसी है
ये वीडियो मैं अकेला नहीं कर सकता because a lot of food will go wasted, so I need more sidekick and the sidekick reveal 3 2 1 so we have our first sidekick, सेकंड साइड कैरेक्टर भी आ गई है। ये हमारी सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेंडर है आज के व्लॉग में क्योंकि ये सब खा जाएगी।
Hi guys, it's me Adiba. मेरे लिए तो हमेशा nice है because I'm not the one paying. I'll show you the car का condition.
ये किसी को देखने की जरूरत नहीं है। First place that we are going is the world famous, internationally most accredited place, that is Big Book. I'm pretty sure आपने इसके बारे में सुना ही होगा। Worst part about Big Book is कि आप जब भी उनको कॉल करो यही डायल टोन बज रही होती है। पता नहीं कौन इनसे पूरे दिन कॉल पे बात कर रहा होता है, but it's always fucking busy.
एक क्लासिक कोल्ड कॉफी और एक स्ट्रॉबेरी माचा और कुछ मैम।
बस
Hey guys, the first fight when you reach Big Book is finding a parking spot. Like I told you, सड़क के बीच में पार्क करने से अच्छा है wait for some time and then squeeze in.
Okay, like our favorite thing about this bakery, like the reason we actually started coming here are for their pancakes, जिसके लिए ये bakery actually viral भी है. We love the coffee. यहाँ पे मतलब almost हर जगह की coffee try कर लिया and Big Book bar is like top tier.
One thing that I really like about Big Book is that they are really affordable, and my favorite thing to eat from here would be Indian spicy paneer sandwich.
One other thing is that we come here, हम गाड़ी में ही बैठते हैं, हम like गाने सुनते हैं, बातें करते हैं, शो देखते हैं, हमारा खाना बनता है, and it just comes to us. It's like convenience right there.
Guys, we are trying the strawberry matcha from Big Book.
पी रहे हैं स्ट्रॉबेरी माचा। माचा वाचा कुछ ना होवे, गाँव की घास होवे।
Like तुझे rate करनी पड़ेगी out of 10.
7.
Okay guys, so we are gonna be trying the normal classic cold coffee. You can't beat the OG cold coffee. So I would rate it a solid 8.2 out of 10. Approved. The next problem is dealing with these people. ऐसे लोग पीछे गाड़ी खड़ी कर देते हैं और मैं हॉर्न मार रहा हूँ तब भी हट नहीं रही। मेरे को बाहर जाके इनको मैकेनिकली हटाना पड़ेगा। Okay guys, so the next place that we are trying is a newer place. It's called Invitalia. To be honest, they serve the best pizza that I have eaten in East Delhi. Generally, hands down, the best pizza is Invitalia. As you can see, this is Invitalia. We were to scan the menu. This is how it looks. Looks pretty cute, small, Italian cafe. Okay guys, so we ordered the most basic thing that you can order at the pizzeria. That is margarita. If you truly want to judge a pizza for its taste, it's going to be on margarita. That's what we ordered, and let's see how long it takes for our order to come. So we ordered at 4:17. Okay guys, first look, and it looks amazing and it smells nice. I don't know how it will taste.
What I imagine Italy's pizza to look like is this.
The sad thing about pizzas like these is कि बहुत जल्दी इनका टेस्ट बेकार होता है अगर मैंने ठंडा करे तो। So let's just have it quickly.
Okay, cheers. I'm scared to eat this. I'm hoping it's ज़्यादा गर्म ना हो. 9.5 out of 10.
What?
Oh my god.
9.5.
Advika gave that rating. I'm excited to try.
भाई खा कर देखो.
Oh guys, here goes nothing. It's good. 8.5 out of 10. Okay guys, is Invitalia 3, 2, 1 approved. Okay Advika, our next place is gonna be.
Now we're going to my favorite place. This is not that viral, but this deserves to be viral. But at the same time, I wanna like gatekeep this place. I'm just gonna tell this to you guys. This is the best spot of East Delhi. ये मेरा favorite spot है. And if you ever wanna find me, I might be there.
Guys, we have reached our next location, a hidden gem, Breaking Brew. Let's go and explore this place.
Basically periodic table है. If you know, you know. There's hydrogen and helium and lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon.
We are gonna be ordering sushi and live tiramisu today. Sushi is here. Are you ready?
I'm always ready for sushi.
Okay guys, so I thought कि मैं आपको कुछ facts बताऊँ with this cafe कि why we really like this. कि अगर हम randomly कहीं भी stop करें and we order some random food stuff, it's gonna be good. That's the best part about this cafe कि every damn thing here tastes good, value for money as well. Servers here are extra polite and they smile every time they look at you.
I think it's better than last time we had it.
The sushi was for 445 rupees and the tiramisu was for 750. Total is roughly 1373. Okay guys, as you can see, पेट अभी भी नहीं भरा है. So we are going to our next place. It's gonna be.
किसका पेट नहीं भरा है?
How's the Yosh? अब हम मिल्टाडो में क्या खाएंगे?
फ्लेमिंग हॉट मैक एंड चीज खाएंगे सर।
कितने खाएंगे?
4 खाएंगे।
ना भी नहीं फेंकना था. जय हिंद!
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद!
जय हिंद।
I don't know who these people are, guys.
Cafe Hinge. Avoid this because it has like average food and not really great. और इसके just 5 steps आगे आता है हमारा East Delhi famous Miltado. So guys, this is how much it costed. It was flaming hot, 270 rupees. East Delhi world famous mac and cheese is here. We ordered the flaming hot flavor because that's obviously the best one and the spicier one. So let's try it out. Jai Hind! The cheese tastes really good. 7.5 out of 10.
Very cheesy and it's spicy, so it's good. It's one of my comfort meals, especially when I'm on my periods, so I would rate this 7.5 out of 10.
Okay guys, so the last and final place that we are going to is Ramyeon Pop. I think it has opened like 2-3 months back, so it's not that famous. So I think हमारा पेट से ज़्यादा handle नहीं कर पाएगा. That's why this is our last stop. And do let us know in the comments कि आपकी अगर कुछ और suggestions हैं in East Delhi that we should try out. We definitely will. Guys, this is the place that we are talking about called Ramyeon Pop and we get all the cool kinds of ramen here. So let's go. As you can see, it has all the cutesy decor that a female would like. So I mean, it's a good date place as well. The issue is कि अभी नवरात्रे चल रहे हैं, so we have to find a vegetarian ramen. I mean, let's search for a veg option. We'll just take the gourmet spicy version because that's what we can handle. So first of all, we're gonna cut it up, and as you can see, our toppings are already here. And guys, we get these loyalty stickers that we can use on our card, and I think after 10 loyalty stickers you get a free ramen.
Second chopsticks for the day. Okay, I'm gonna take the first bite. बहुत spicy है ये.
We'll be taste testing the Shin ramen that we made. It's literally Shin ramen that we make, but just expensive.
Not bad. I've never had Shin ramen before, and to be honest, I'm liking it better than Samyang. The only downside that I can think of Ramyeon Pop is that it's a little bit expensive because like हमें ये ramen पड़ी on the base price of 250 plus 60 for toppings, that is at 310, and you can easily make it at home for 150. But I mean, it's expensive because of the experience. Yeah. Okay guys, so that was it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let us know in the comments where do you want us to visit next. I'll catch you guys later.